Is it almost time? It's almost time. It is now 7 p.m. Welcome to another Hump Day Real Estate with Kendall in the DMV. I'm Marcellus Kendall. And today we're going to discuss some more home buyer programs. As I promised, through the end of the year, we have 1 week left to talk about some of the opportunities that home buyers actually have. Today, we're going to get into quite a few that actually Baltimore have that some places may not have. Let's see. Let's see if I even did this right. I don't think I did this right. So let's see this. There we go. So, what opportunities do home buyers have going into 2024? So, Baltimore has the Baltimore Homeownership Incentive Program. Baltimore Homeownership Incentive Program. Let's see if I can make this a little. Okay, so the Office of Homeownership offers a variety of incentives programs to home buyers purchasing in Baltimore City. These incentives can make buying a home more affordable by lowering your closing costs and boosting your down payment. So let's look at the details. So, Baltimore City Employee Home Ownership Program, $5,000 for employees of city and quasi city agencies who have been employed for at least 6 months. Okay. Buying into Baltimore, 5,000 award by lottery to people who attend a Live Baltimore trolley tour and meet other conditions. First time home buyer incentive program, 10,000 for first time home buyers with household income at or below 80% of the area median income. An additional 10,000 is available for purchases within the impact investment area. $5,000 bonus is available for first time home buyers who A, purchased the house they have rented and occupied for at least 6 months, or B, have a disability or have household member with a disability. Live near your work. The partnership with participating employers encourages home ownership near places of employment. The city matches employers' contributions between 1,000 and 2,500 for the total incentive of $2,000 to $5,000 plus, depending on the employer. And we have the vacancy to value booster, $10,000 incentive for properties that were subject to a vacant building notice for at least 1 year prior to rehabilitations of the property by a developer. Sale of the property to a home buyer who intends to renovate the property using acquisition rehabilitation loan. So these are some of the Baltimore City programs that my friends over at Fulton Bank actually shared with me that they have access to. So let's go to the lose my place. Okay, so this one is make it a little larger. Buy back the block. So with this program, there's $10,000 grant, home purchase grant, or $20,000 home purchase and renovation grant. The Buyback the Block program provides grants to Baltimore City residents who purchase homes in the areas where they currently rent. These grants do not have to be repaid. The $10,000 home purchase grant reduces the amount of money you will need up front to buy a home. The $20,000 home purchase and renovation grant reduces the amount of money you will need up front to buy and renovate a home. So, okay, and then it's $20,000. We talked about that. So, am I eligible? You may be eligible for either grant if you meet the following criteria. You are currently renting in one of the areas of Baltimore City listed on the right. You are interested in purchasing and living in a home in the same area where you are currently renting. You do not currently own any real estate. You are willing to complete homeownership counseling before making an offer on a home. You are willing to work with a program-approved mortgage lender to obtain a fixed-rate mortgage. You will be able to contribute at least $1,000 of your own funds to home purchase. So let's look over here to the right. Grant eligible Baltimore City areas: Bel Air Edison area, Bel Air Edison, Berea, probably saying that wrong, 4x4, Emerson Village area, Allendale, Edgewood, Emerson Village, Middle Branch area, Cherry Hill, Lakeland, Mondawmin area, Mondawmin, Panway, Gladys Avenue, Parkway, York Road area, Kenilworth Park, Rich North Springs, Winston and Govans, and Woodbourne and McCabe. In order to obtain buy back the block funds, you must complete an eligibility quiz at livebaltimore.com. Have your eligibility verified and receive the approved grant application. Funds are limited and will be awarded on first come, first served basis. So, yeah, so that's another program for Baltimore City. I want to stop screen sharing. I think that was Bob back to flock. Let's go. Let's see what the next one is. So this is the Fulton Mortgage program. We've worked with quite a few clients with Jerry Edwards here to put some folks in and home. And the beauty with this one is, I believe this is like their in-house grant, and this can be doubled with other products. So this is Fulton Mortgage CCAP, Closing Cost Assistance Program. Fulton Mortgage Corporation is affiliate banks through Fulton Mortgage Company has partnered with Operation Hope to establish a closing cost assistance program to make home ownership more accessible to individuals and families. And so what they have is receive up to $2,500 assistance. The CCAP, what is up? The CCAP is available to be used in conjunction with mortgages on a primary residence that have loan to value of 95% or higher. Borrowers meeting the qualifying household income limits may receive up to $1,000 to be used towards down payment and or closing costs, depending on the loan program and income eligibility. Purchase property located in qualifying census tract types as identified by the Federal Financial Institution Examination Council may receive up to $1,500 for down payment and or closing costs, depending on the loan program, not limited to first-time home buyers. So this up to $2,500 is not limited to first-time home buyers. It's not just first-time home buyer situation. And here's my guy Jerry down here. This is who I normally send quite a few people to help out with these type of programs. Let's see, some of these I'm learning what they have. So some of the new ones, but the Baltimore City ones I know about those. Let's see. Let's see what this temporary buy down is. So Temporary buy down reduces home buyers' monthly payments the first 2 or 3 years instead of making the mortgage full monthly payment. The home buyer will pay a lower interest rate. This can help a buyer ease into the full mortgage payment at the beginning of the loan term. So this is one of the buy downs that was mostly talked about out there, 2-1 buy down, but this is a program that I believe came about probably so it can help absorb some of the high interest rates that are going on these days. So a buy down is the fixed rate mortgage only. Term cannot be longer than 36 months. No more than 3% rate reduction is allowed for the term of the buy down. Rate increase cannot exceed more than 1% a year. A 3-2-1 buy down means a customer pays a lower interest rate for the first 3 years. The interest rate is reduced by 3% the first year, 2% the second year, 1% the third year. So these type of programs actually allow for the buyer to kind of adjust into that higher interest rate. A 2-1 buy down allows the customer to pay lower interest rate for the first 2 years. And 2 years, the interest rate is reduced 2% in the first year, 1% in the second year. At the end of the buy down term, the customer will pay the permanent interest rate. So it's like helping you nudge into that higher rate. And so if you got a new job and your income went up the next year or year after year, it's kind of like you kind of pulling that together, if you will, to help bear that higher interest rate. Let's see what else he got going on. But I think this is one of the ones I kind of like. Fulton Bank community combo up to 100% financing available. Now this catches a lot of folks' eyes. It did when he first Jerry was mentioned to me some years ago. I thought this was an excellent program to help some folks get into a home. On a Fulton Bank Community Combo Purchase Mortgage offered by Fulton Mortgage Company is flexible, affordable option designed to meet a diverse range of financial and family needs, including home buyers who have limited funds for a down payment or face unique circumstances. 80% first, let's move this up some so folks can really see it. 80% first mortgage combined with up to a 20% second mortgage. Now, folks, most people may be concerned, say, wait a minute, I have 2 mortgages. But guess what this did? If you get the 97% or 96.5% with based off a 3.5% down loan, you get what's called now I'm gonna lose my thought. Principal mortgage insurance. Well, in some instances, that principal mortgage insurance costs borrowers 150, 200 additional dollars on top of which your principal mortgage and taxes and stuff. If you have this 80-20 loan, your 20% is one payment, 80% is another, but it allows you to get out of that. See where we have no private mortgage insurance. It allows you to get out of that no private mortgage insurance. They say they have competitive rates. You do not need to be a first-time home buyer. Home ownership counseling is required. Income restrictions may apply. That's good. Good opportunity here. Think about it. You're down in PG County. The average home sales are 400,000, and you want to take your money if you're able to, and you want to buy a house, but then you may also want to make some other investments. This could be a good opportunity here. But again, income restrictions may apply, and homeownership counseling, and you do not need to be a first-time home buyer. I always call Jerry about this one. I actually always do. Jumbo loans for big clients' needs. So where my $1 million, my $2 million and up clients? Jumbo loans for big client needs. So 90% financing up to $1 million. 90% financing up to $1.5 million. 85% financing up to $2 million. 80% financing up to $2.5 million. Adjustable rate products are available. 3-6, 5-6, 7-6, and 10-6. Now I can't explain those. If I had Jerry on, he would explain that. But fixed rate products available, 15-year, 20, and 30-year terms. Same thing with the adjustable. I think the adjustable rates is talking about the rate in the term. Competitive rates, low cost, special portfolio products and pricing are available. It's for my folks that buying the big houses. So for anybody that just joined in, I'm sharing some of what Baltimore City and other programs that Fulton Mortgage Bank with Jerry Edwards over there they actually have. One of my top preferred lenders. So for real estate professional product selection, conventional conforming fixed rate products, conventional fixed rate, conventional manufactured home products, CRA, what is this? Let's see something. So basically this goes over, I think this one kind of briefs over what we will discuss with each individual. So I'm gonna bring that one back. Let's go here with the Home Buyers Advantage Plus. Let's see what this one's all about. So the Home Buyers Advantage Plus that Fulton Mortgage has, buy your own home can become a reality with Fulton Mortgage Company exclusive Home Buyers Advantage Plus mortgage with a low down payment and flexible credit requirements will help put you on the path to home ownership. So this one has 97% financing, must be used for the purchase of a primary residence. No private mortgage insurance premium is required. So save a couple $100 maybe on that. Borrower's income restrictions may apply. Up to 6% seller assistance allowed. So what that means is if you get into one of these programs and you get a deal where the seller is willing to contribute to some of your closing costs, you can negotiate up to 6%. Can be used in conjunction with other closing costs and down payment assistance program. Now that's good. The loan itself, if there are other parent down payment assistance programs, you can pair it with this product. Borrowers must not own any other property. So this is one where you can own any other properties as well. Homeownership counseling is required and competitive rates. So like that. This was a big one. We've been trying to figure out how to help more folks with this one. If you see this and you know a way for me to get to medical professionals to educate them more before they go and do conventional financing, et cetera, to buy a home, this one is real big for the medical professional. Fulton Mortgage Company has designed a mortgage program dedicated to making homeownership easy and affordable for medical professionals, including physicians, pharmacists, dentists, and veterinarians. If you have any medical doctorate degree, this program may work for you. So let's see what this program is all about. So 100% financing available for loan amounts up to $1.5 million. 95% available for loan amounts up to $2 million. 90% financing available for loan amounts up to $3 million. Mortgage insurance is not required. I like that. Up to 6% seller paid closing costs and prepaids allowed. Now, that's nice as well. Gift funds are allowed from immediate family members. So that means that you can, if other family members want to gift you to help with your down payment, et cetera, you can do that. Student loan payments that are deferred for 12 months or longer are not included in the credit approval process. Now, this is very big because what happens is a lot of professionals who go to get their degrees, they end up having student loan debt. The lender ends up having, I think it's either 1% or 5% of that student loan debt. They have to calculate that and add that to your income. A lot of times that right there ends up bumping some of the buyers' buying power down. So it takes you with them removing that in this program makes it a real good program. Find and close on new home up to 90 days prior to the start of new employment. Find and close on a new home up to 90 days prior to start of new employment. That's good as well. First time doctor just coming out of residencies or fellowship or what have you, and they can use this product to go and purchase a home. 30 and 15-year fixed rates, as well as adjustable rate options, 5, 6, 7, 6, 10, 6, and 15, 6. So I want to help in 2024. You know anybody? I want to help at least 5 physicians, pharmacists, dentists, or veterinarians buy a home with this product. Share this with somebody in that field. Thank you. We're almost done. We're almost done. Northeast Housing Initiative programs. So this is another grant program. Home Buyers Choice Program. So this program is helping a lot of Baltimore City lower income buyers, especially. So the NEHA's Home Buyer Choice Program serves households earning 50% or less of the area median income for the Baltimore metro area. Depending on household debts, levels, and estimated housing costs, the program can serve households earning as low as 30% of the AMI. Who can participate? Homebuyers must also meet the following program eligibility requirements with guidance from NEHA staff. So limited debt. NEHA looks for homebuyers who will maintain a front-end ratio between 28% and 33% and back-end ratio of 45% or less, with limited exceptions in their home purchase financing. That the income ratios are based on gross household income as calculated by NEI staff using HUD guidelines and the home buyer's estimated housing costs, which includes monthly ground lease fees. Status: applicant and co-applicant must be over 18 years of age. Home buying education: applicant and any co-applicant must complete 3 education requirements prior to receiving qualification letter for the program. Attend a 5-hour HUD certified home buyer education course offered regularly at our NEHA office and conducted by our partners at Bel Air Edison Neighborhoods, Inc. Attend one-on-one housing counseling session with that's the Bel Air Edison Neighborhood Incorporation staff. Receive CLT and HCP overview with NEHA staff. Savings. Mortgage readiness. Applicant and co-applicant must qualify for approved mortgage from one of our approved lenders. So in order to use this program, you have to be approved by one of their lenders, and Fulton Mortgage is one. Savings. The applicant household must be able to put down at least $350 of personal funds at closing and must maintain at least $1,000 of liquid personal funds and reserves until after closing. Existing home ownership. NEHA does not require applicant to be first-time home buyers. However, applicant must be able to demonstrate that no person in household owns another resident at the time of purchase of a home through the program. Documentation. The applicant and any co-applicant must be willing and able to submit required documentation to verify their eligibility. So another good program out there, and these programs come with, you know, the way that they're kind of uh, set up. These programs are $50,000 and $60,000 worth of grants to help folks purchase a home. It's been tough. I got a couple of those actually buyers are pre-approved. It's been tough on the lower income side to actually find decent housing that fits the needs of some of these buyers. But it's a great thing that those programs are out there. So again, folks, if you know anybody, then play this video back and share the video with anyone you know that might be interested in buying a home and can use any of those products. And if you need more information, you play it back. Jerry Edwards, the information is there. Let them know you got the information from Hump Day Real Estate with Kendall in the DMV, and he'll take very good care of you. And if you're looking to have the real estate service, I'm here for you as well. So I just gave you the team that you could put together to help you with your home buying needs. And again, like I said, through the rest of this year, this is what we're going to do. We're going to set home buyers up position. Interest rates are coming down. I think that's going to move a lot of you getting off the fence and start looking at home buying again. And so I want to prepare you going into 2024. So this was one. Next week we'll have another one about buyers, and then we'll see how I start off 2024. But again, I appreciate you for taking the time. You could have been anywhere, but you spent a little bit of time with me to get a little education on what is out there, what programs are out there to help you buy, you and your family or friends buy a home in 2024. Appreciate you. Please like, share. If you haven't, subscribe, and leave any comments. I'll always respond to the comment. I appreciate you once again. Signing off. See you soon. Happy holidays if you don't get on with me next week.